Hey guys, how y'all doing there? Cowboy Dave here. I was down at the OK Corral and I got a mite hungry, so I thought I might make me and the boys, some of this wonderfully delicious Cowboy Casserole. Came out great. You gotta try it for your family and the cowboys around you. So let's get started right after this. Okay guys, I'm going to begin here by adding a little over half a kilo, this is about 600 grams, of lean ground beef to a pan over medium heat. And we'll just fry this up. I'm not going to add oil because actually you'll get enough oil off this meat to submerge Boston. And as you can see, folks, we got quite a bit of grease here, even though it did read lean. So I'm just going to go ahead and give this a drain. Now I've got about 70% of the grease off this, which is pretty good. I'm going to add in 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Gotta have that garlic. And half a small chopped onion. And we'll just saute this for a minute or two. Now we've sauteed this and that wonderful aroma of the onion and garlic have filled the air. I'm going to add in a can of baked beans, and this is beans with molasses. I mean, it wouldn't be a Cowboy Casserole without beans. Half a can of peaches and cream corn. You can use whatever corn you like. I just love peaches and cream. Half a cup of my wonderful Montreal barbecue sauce. And you can use your own sauce, whatever you like. I just like this. And of course, the world wouldn't be complete without some salt. And you can hear this coming, my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. And we'll just give this a stir up until everything is nicely combined. And we'll allow this to cook over medium-high heat again until it's heated through. Alright, now that we're nicely heated through, I'm going to kill the heat. And I'm going to add this to my casserole dish. Oh, this smells so good, guys. Here I go again with my smell-o-vision. Now I'm going to make up one of my all-time favorite standbys, is some Bisquick. And you can buy this in any grocery store. And this is about 320 grams of the powdered Bisquick with 3/4 of a cup of milk. And I'll do all the measurements in the blog, the conversions and whatnot. Then we'll just go ahead and stir this up until the dough forms. Bisquick, Bisquick, I love Bisquick. Now we're all mixed up just like me. I'm going to take my handy dandy ice cream scoop and scoop up some Bisquick. And I know cowboys didn't have Bisquick, but I rode all the way into the future to get some. And simply put this over the top of our cowboy mixture. Yum! And I should mention too, guys, you can use 2 spoons if you don't have the ability to ride into the future. Now I'm going to slip this into a 425 degree Fahrenheit, 220 Celsius preheated oven for about 20 to 22 minutes. Or you can do it around the campfire. Okay guys, after 18 minutes, it's hot and bubbly and the Bisquick, I have trouble saying that, is done nicely. So I'm just going to sprinkle some old cheddar cheese. Of course, you can use the cheese of your choice. I just like the old sharp cheddar. Kinda reminds me of the old West. I know, you're saying, Dave, stop it. Now you could slip it back into the oven for another 2 minutes until the cheese is melted completely, but this is great for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and garnish this up with some parsley flakes to get that nice green effect. Ah, this looks and smells so good. And there you have it, guys, our wonderfully delicious Cowboy Casserole. Okay, let's dig in, guys, and see what we have here. This is gonna be so good. Just look at this, guys. You couldn't ask for a nicer cowboy casserole. Okay, guys, let's dig into this chow and see what we've got. I want to get some Bisquick on here and some of that nice meaty substance. Guys, this is so good. For a simple dish, I like the texture of that Bisquick. Like, you could use a Pillsbury, but the Bisquick is really nice. Critical stuff, use your favorite barbecue sauce and your favorite beans, but oh man, this is good. You gotta make this. Entire family will love it. I'm gonna eat more. So I should add, guys, before I go, I'm gonna take my little doggy and mosey off into the sunset. So for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff there. Keep you busy for days. Sorry, I'm still chewing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing, and see you next time.